Hello viewers, I Muhammad Abdul Habib welcome you all to our application AIMS tutorial. In this video, we'll be discussing chapter 4 preparation of subsidiary books. Here is the problem, page number 111, question number 4. Enter the following transactions in purchases book. The transactions are given for the year 2018 for the month of November, and the first transaction is given on November 1 as goods purchased from Chaitanya rupees 5000 as per invoice number 250, followed by the transaction on November 12, which is given as goods purchased from Ravi rupees 1000 on credit invoice number 300 rupees, followed by the next transaction on November 18, purchased goods from Satish for 3000 rupees as per invoice number 105, followed by the last transaction for the problem, which is on November 23rd, purchased goods from Pawan for cash rupees 2500 as per invoice number 410, and we are asked to prepare purchases book. Here is the solution. Here is purchases book, the format for which is date, particulars, inward invoice number, LF number, details, amount, rupees. The first transaction is given on 2018 November 1 as goods purchased from Chaitanya for 5000 rupees as per invoice number 250 rupees. So in this problem, invoice numbers are specified. So in inward invoice number column, we'll be writing the invoice numbers for the related transactions. So first, the date will be taken as 2018 November 1. In particulars column, we'll be writing the name of the person from whom we have purchased goods. So the transaction done on 2018 November 1 is done with Chaitanya, goods purchased from Chaitanya. So here we'll be writing the name of Chaitanya, and in invoice number we'll be writing the invoice number as 250, and in amount column we'll be writing the amount of purchase as 5000 rupees. Followed by the next transaction, which is on November 12, goods purchased from Ravi rupees 1000 on credit invoice number 300. So here the date will be taken as November 12. In particulars column, we'll be writing the name of person from whom we have purchased the goods as Ravi. In inward invoice number, we'll be writing the invoice number as 300 rupees, and in amount column, we'll be writing the amount of purchase, which is 1000 rupees. The next transaction is on November 18, which is given as purchased goods from Satish rupees 3000 as per invoice number 105. So here the date will be taken as November 18. In particulars column, we'll be writing the name of person from whom we have purchased the goods. As we have purchased the goods from Satish, we'll be writing the name of Satish. In inward invoice number, we'll be writing the invoice number as 105, and in amount column, we'll be writing the amount of purchase, which is 3000 rupees. The last transaction for the problem is given on November 23rd, which is given as purchased goods from Pawan for cash. So here the goods have been purchased from Pawan, but the continuation is also given as for cash. It means that the business has purchased the goods from Pawan and the business has paid cash immediately. So it is a cash transaction. So purchased goods from Pawan for cash rupees 2500 as per invoice number 410. So it is a cash transaction. It will not be recorded in purchases book, for which we will be writing a note that transaction dated November 23rd is a cash transaction and is hence not recorded in purchases book. Now as all the transactions have been completed, we will be doing the total for purchases book. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 6 plus 3 9. So the total of purchases book is 9000 rupees, and here we will be writing it as total. With this, we conclude this session. Hope you have understood the topic. See you all in next video. Thank you.